So you've got $100. Maybe it's sitting in your checking account. Maybe you've been saving up and you're thinking, should I invest this? Or is that, not even worth it? Here's the truth. I used to think the same thing. Investing felt like something rich people did, But I realised something. Everyone starts somewhere, and $100 is actually the perfect starting point. So today, I'm showing you exactly how to invest your first $100 in a way that actually makes sense. Let's go. First, let me address the elephant in the room. Is $100 really enough to invest? Yes. And here's why I'm so sure about that. I did the math. If you invest $100 right now and never touch it, earning about 7% per year, which is pretty average, in 30 years, that $100 becomes about $760. Not life-changing, I know. But what if you invested $100 next month? And the month after? Suddenly you're looking at thousands. The real magic isn't the money you're starting with, it's the habit you're building. You're training yourself to think like an investor. And that mindset? That's worth way more than $100. Plus, here's something most people don't talk about. The longer your money sits doing nothing, the more it loses value to inflation. Your $100 today? It's worth less next year if it's just sitting there. Okay, so how do you actually invest $100? There are a few paths. Let me break down the smartest ones. Option 1. Start with an index fund or ETF. This is my top pick for beginners, and here's why. An index fund is basically a basket of stocks. So instead of betting on one company, you're betting on 500 companies. If one tanks, it doesn't destroy you. It's safer. And the fees? Tiny. We're talking fractions of a percent. You can buy into funds through apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Minimum investment? Often zero. I'm serious. You can literally start with $100. A popular one for beginners is the S&P 500 Index Fund. It tracks 500 large American companies. Boring? Maybe. But boring is good in investing. Boring means stable. Option 2, micro investing apps. If you want something super simple, there are apps designed exactly for people like you. Apps like Acorns or Robinhood let you start with literally any amount. Some even round up your purchases and invest the difference. Like you buy a coffee for $3.50 and they invest the 50 cents. Over time, it adds up. These are great for getting comfortable with the idea of investing. The downside? Fees can add up over time. So they're better as a starting point than a long-term strategy. Option 3, a high-yield savings account. Okay, this is controversial, but hear me out. If you're genuinely nervous about the stock market, and that's okay, a high-yield savings account gives you guaranteed returns. Right now, some are offering 4 to 5% interest. Your money grows, it's safe, and you can access it anytime. It's not flashy, but it's better than keeping $100 under your mattress. So, real talk, how do you actually get started? Step 1, pick a platform. Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. Pick one, open an account. It takes 10 minutes. Step 2, fund it. Transfer your $100 from your bank. Step 3, choose what to invest in. If you're going with an index fund, search for S&P 500 or Total Market Fund. Pick one, click buy. Step 4, this is important. Don't check it every day. Seriously. The goal is to let it sit and grow. One more thing, and I cannot stress this enough, only invest money you won't need for at least 5 years. The stock market goes up and down. If you need that cash next month, it shouldn't be there. Here's the bottom line. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need $10,000 or $50,000. You need discipline, a little patience, and $100. Starting now with a small amount teaches you more than waiting 5 years and then throwing in $5,000. You learn how to invest. You build the habit, and yeah, maybe your $100 turns into $150. Maybe it turns into $500. But more importantly, you become the kind of person who invests. And that person wins. So if you're ready to start, go open an account today. And hey, drop a comment if you do. I'd love to hear what you decide to invest in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.